महोदय, पहले तो मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती, क्षमा चाहूंगा। जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा सब सही है, हम बस इसी को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं। हमने लास्ट पिटीशन में जहां हमारे पक्ष में ऑर्डर पास हुआ है, A3 जो आपका इनका है, जो अभी लेटर इन्होंने बोला, तो इनके 36 जिलों से आज 20 साल भी बाद भी जानकारी आना बाकी है। इन्होंने लिख दिया कि मतलब पेज नंबर 22,
अब जिनका
देखिए 22 जिलों से इन्होंने बोला कि हमने 5 जिलों में
आपकी तो जानकारी आ गई ना।
नहीं, हमारी तो हमको तो अपॉइंट ही नहीं किया गया था।
तो जिनकी नहीं आई वो तो बाद में देखेंगे, क्योंकि वो हमारे पास नहीं।
इसी बेस पे नहीं तो ये महोदय इनका ऑर्डर है 2013 का, इसी को प्लेस करके इन्होंने लाभ लिया कि हाँ हम सबको निकाल देंगे, इनको नहीं रखेंगे, सेम डिप्लोमा वालों को हम निकाल देंगे ऑल ओवर MP। बट आज तक इन्होंने वो कार्यवाही नहीं की और ये एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं .3 में 5 जिलों जबलपुर, पन्ना, छिंदवाड़ा, होशंगाबाद, नीमच में उम्मीदवारों का चयन अर्हता से कम पाया गया। खैर वो इश्यू नहीं। इन्होंने पहली चीज तो ये कि इन्होंने कहा शासकीय या शासन से मान्यता प्राप्त। तो हमारा जो डिप्लोमा है NCT दिल्ली के डिपार्टमेंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रेनिंग एंड टेक्निकल से एफिलिएटेड है।
At the time of filling the form for the post of Patwari, there is a requirement of a certificate, that is diploma in computer science, and that certificate has to be by the government college or by the institution which has been recognized by the DOAC man. DOAC as the society which gives the recognition certificate. Now, our respectful submission in this matter was that the certificate which they have been filed, the institution was not affiliated by the DOAC matter. May kindly see the impugned order which was challenged in the writ petition, that is Annexure A3, my lords. Dated 14/2/2013, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 21, may we see, my lord, of my appeal.
Yes, we are on that.
My lord. This is.
It's a A3.
Yes, my lords. A3, my lord.
Oh.
Now, may I read, my lord?
अब बताइए।
विषय पटवारी चयन परीक्षा वर्ष 2005 में माननीय उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर WP स्टूडेंट्सों द्वारा पारित निर्णय 15/11/2011 के संबंध में जिलों में रिक्त पटवारी पदों पर नियुक्ति हेतु कार्यालय आयुक्त भू अभिलेख एवं बंदोबस्त मध्य प्रदेश ग्वालियर द्वारा जारी पत्र क्रमांक स्वयं दिनांक 29/8/2005 में कंप्यूटर प्रमाण पत्र के संबंध में यह निर्देश दिया गया था कि जिसके शासकीय या शासन द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त संस्था से डिप्लोमा इन कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन कोर्स किया हो मान्य होगा। इसके अतिरिक्त कार्यालय पत्र क्रमांक स्वयं दिनांक 12 सितंबर 2005 द्वारा समस्त कलेक्टर को निर्देश दिए गए थे कि निजी संस्थाओं के प्रमाण पत्र को भी मान्य किया जावे, जबकि वे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, भारत शासन डॉएक सोसाइटी से मान्यता प्राप्त हो। वर्ष 2005 में जिला सीधी द्वारा रिक्त पटवारी पदों भरने के लिए हेतु उपरोक्त निर्देशानुसार पटवारी चयन परीक्षा आयोजित की गई, जिसमें डोएक सोसाइटी के अलावा अन्य सोसाइटी के भी कंप्यूटर प्रमाण अमान्य करने पर श्री रविंद्र सिंह जी प्रेजेंट पिटिशनर जिला सीधी द्वारा माननीय उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर में याचिका क्रमांक स्वयं दायर की गई, जिसमें दिनांक 15/11/2011 को निर्णय पारित कर निम्न निर्देश दिए गए। If it is found that in other districts in the state of MP, candidates have been appointed on the post of Patwari in the examination conducted in the year 2006, even though they have acquired the computer education from the institute which is not accredited to the DOAC society, then based on the merits of the examination, thereafter, my lord, this order is reproduced this much, and thereafter, my lord, on the next page, we kindly see page number 22. माननीय उच्च न्यायालय द्वारा पारित निर्णय के परिप्रेक्ष्य में, now the full order, my lord, want to see, my lord, it's annexure P8 to the petition, my lord.
Yes.
And I will read that paragraph, which is, I might think that it's not complete one, but I will read it from the annexure P8, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the page number 50 of the writ petition, my lord. It is annexure P8, starts from page number. Starts from page number 44, my lords, if my lord may get it. This is WP number 2327 of 2006, Ravinandan C versus State of Health. May get it, my lords?
Writ petition number
2327, my lord.
23, yes.
Now, my lord, I'm just
It's a common order in WP.
It's fine, common order.
Yes.
Now, I'm just coming to that paragraph, which the complete paragraph is at page number 50, my lord, the operating paragraph. May I read it, my lords?
Yes.
I'm reading from accordingly.
Totally.
Accordingly, on inquiry, if the commissioner comes to the conclusion. Accordingly, on inquiry, if the commissioner comes to the conclusion that in various other districts of the state, appointments have been given to the persons similarly situated like the petitioners, without insisting upon the institute being accredited to the DOAC society, similar benefit should be extended to the petitioner. If it is found that any person less meritorious than the petitioner has been appointed in accordance with the merit, necessary action of conducting inquiry and taking the decision in the matter be concluded within a period of 3 months and benefit conferred to the petitioner. Now, thereafter, my lord, the inquiry has been conducted and this is the order which has been passed, my lord.
Pursuant to this order.
Pursuant to this order, my lord.
Yes.
Now, I'm just coming to the inquiry which has been conducted and the conclusion which has came in this inquiry, my lord. Page number 22 of my writ appeal, my lord. I'm reading the next. माननीय उच्च न्यायालय द्वारा. We get it, my lords?
Yes.
माननीय उच्च न्यायालय द्वारा पारित निर्णय के परिप्रेक्ष्य में कार्यान्वयन पत्र क्रमांक 23/1/2013 द्वारा पटवारी चयन परीक्षा वर्ष 2005 में ऐसे उम्मीदवार जिनका कंप्यूटर प्रमाण पत्र शासकीय शासन द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त डोएक सोसाइटी के अतिरिक्त अन्य कंप्यूटर प्रमाण पत्रों के आधार पर नियुक्ति किया गया जानकारी कलेक्टरों से मंगाई गई। स्मरण पत्र क्रमांक 28 दिनांक 28/1/2003 पश्चात भी कुल 50 कलेक्टर से में से 14 कलेक्टरों से जानकारी प्राप्त हुई। इस जानकारी के अवलोकन से यह पाया गया, नंबर 1, 8 जिलों खंडवा, शिवपुरी, मुरैना, श्योपुर, विदिशा, दमोह, अलीराजपुर, सतना में वर्ष 2005 में पटवारी परीक्षा आयोजित नहीं की गई अथवा स्थगित निरस्त कर दी गई। सेकंड, जिला उमरिया में अभ्यर्थियों का चयन निर्धारित की गई अर्हता विभिन्न विश्वविद्यालयों, शिक्षा बोर्डों, औद्योगिक प्रशिक्षण संस्थाओं द्वारा जारी प्रमाण पत्र, इसके अतिरिक्त कंप्यूटर प्रशिक्षण देने वाली निजी संस्थाओं के प्रमाण पत्र जो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, भारत शासन, डॉएक सोसाइटी से मान्यता प्राप्तों के अनुसार किया गया। 5 जिलों जबलपुर, पन्ना, छिंदवाड़ा, होशंगाबाद, नीमच में उम्मीदवारों का चयन निर्धारित अर्हता से कम होना पाया गया। 4 शेष 36 जिलों से जानकारी प्राप्त है। इन जिलों के कलेक्टरों को जानकारी तत्काल भेजने हेतु निर्देश दिए जाते हैं। इस प्रकार प्राप्त जानकारी के अनुसार यह स्पष्ट है कि कतिपय जिलों में वर्ष 2005 में उम्मीदवारों को चयन निर्धारित कंप्यूटर डिप्लोमा प्रमाण पत्रों के विपरीत किया गया है और इस संबंध में जारी इस कार्यालय के दिशा निर्देश पत्र क्रमांक 29/8/2005 एवं पत्र क्रमांक 12 सितंबर 2005 का अनुपालन नहीं किया गया है, जो नियमानुकूल एवं विधि संगत नहीं है तथा इस प्रकार की गई चयन की कार्रवाई शासकीय निर्देशों के विपरीत है। अतः उपरोक्त स्थिति में निर्देश दिए जाते हैं कि जबलपुर, पन्ना, छिंदवाड़ा, होशंगाबाद एवं नीमच जिलों के कलेक्टर इस कार्यालय के उल्लिखित दिशा निर्देशों के अनुपालन में निर्धारित किए गए निर्दिष्ट कंप्यूटर प्रमाण पत्रों के अतिरिक्त चयन की गए उम्मीदवारों को जांच पश्चात न्याय हित में सुनवाई का अवसर देते हुए इनका चयन निरस्त करने की कार्रवाई सुनिश्चित करें तथा की गई कार्रवाई से इस कार्यालय को अवगत कराना सूचित करें। इन जिलों द्वारा जानकारी अभी नहीं भेजी गई, वे जानकारी अपनी 7 दिवस में आवश्यक रूप से भिजवाना सुनिश्चित करें। श्री रविनंदन सिंह पुत्र राम प्रताप सिंह, निवासी ग्राम पोस्ट बमूरी, कोटा।
इसका भी किया है।
That is what, and that is on the basis of this institution of the certificate which institution he has not been accredited by the DOAC, which was the mandate either by the government college or by the institution which has been accredited by the DOAC. Now, the Hon'ble Writ Court has not considered this aspect and set aside his order, which is the mandate for having that diploma certificate is the mandatory computer diploma certificate, and that too from the. So this is the sole point involvement. And now the Honorable Court has reached to the conclusion we kindly see, my lords have found that the Honorable Writ Court has found that he possesses the necessary qualification. He has been given abundant even the consequential benefit. 12/9/2005, where the collectors of Appellate has been directed that निजी संस्थाओं के प्रमाण पत्रों को भी मान्य किया जाएगा, जबकि वे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, भारत शासन, डॉएक सोसाइटी से मान्यता प्राप्त। Now, in this regard, one more important aspect is that those who are not being affiliated or accredited by the DOAC or by the government institution, my lord, then all these, my lord, the information which has been given कि बाकी जितने जिनमें नहीं थे उनके निरस्त कर दिए गए अपॉइंटमेंट्स। मैं kindly see one of which we have written, my lord. Number 1 in the last paragraph में भी see, my lord. अतः उपरोक्त स्थिति में निर्देश दिए जाते हैं। तो डायरेक्शन हैज बीन स्पेसिफिकली गिवन। जबलपुर, पन्ना, छिंदवाड़ा, होशंगाबाद और नीमच के जिलों के कलेक्टर इस कार्य के उल्लिखित दिशा निर्देशों के अनुपालन में निर्धारित किए गए निर्दिष्ट कंप्यूटर प्रमाण पत्रों के अतिरिक्त चयन की गए उम्मीदवारों को जांच पश्चात न्याय में सुनवाई का अवसर देते हुए उनका चयन निरस्त करने की कार्रवाई। नॉट ओनली द पिटिशन, person, he has not been discriminated. The person, those who have not got the requisite certificate from the recognized or accredited institution, their all appointments shall be cancelled.
All are out of the service, or some are there?
This might be possible, but because this information is not there with us.
You are waiting for the report since long.
Uh,
So it means
उसकी
you are not.
जानकारी
It means you are not interested in them. You are interested only those who are out.
इस matter.
May I-
Impute out of them, impute.
One thing, may I please, sir?
12 September 2005. Education qualification is mentioned as higher secondary or high school from the recognized board under the 10+2 scheme. Stop. At serial number 2, it is mentioned that diploma in computer education of 1 year duration is to be completed up to September 2005 from a government or government recognized institution. Stop. The respondents obtain a diploma from Indian Institute of Computer Education Center for Computer Education Research and Training Center as contained in Annexure P4. Stop. This diploma was obtained from July 1998 to June 99, and the government of NCT Delhi granted affiliation to the Indian Institute of Computer Education from where
All due respect, my lord, one
the writ petitions obtained 1 year diploma and affiliation was given in the trade of data preparation and computer software.
I'm sorry, my lord. May I?
Listen,
My-
affiliation is given to this institution, or
This is the diploma. What we say that is not the diploma course that they have done. The certificate which they have filed, my lord. May kindly see page number 7 of my memo. I'm just humbly praying. This is only the point. After that, I will take
no,
rest
these
my case.
institutes were given affiliation
This
with the,
institution is given affiliation. I agree, man. The important thing is that what the course has been done by the petitioner and the certificate given, that is not diploma in computer application, which is I have said in page number 7 of my memo petition may be seen. I just read that particular portion, madam. It is submitted that the said recognized letter by the government of National Capital Territory of Delhi dated 15/5/19 has been passed with respect to the trade unit of data preparation and computer software offered by the said institute, namely Indian Institute of Computer Education, JRC, Shastri Bihar. The said document does not anyway indicate that the diploma in computer application diploma offered by the said is recognized by the government of National Capital Territory of Delhi. This is my submission.
right.
My lords.
Okay, because the institute are given affiliation with National Council for Vocational Training, which is a recognized body, to give recognition to such training course in ITI, etc. Stop. Para. The present appeal is filed on the grounds that the learned writ court failed to observe that the writ petitioners did not have the requisite eligibility condition for being appointed as Patwari. It is counsel for the appellate submitted that the diploma obtained by the petitioners was same as one recognized by the government of NCT Delhi, wide its a letter dated 15 July 2017. The said fact has been wrongly considered by the writ court. Stop. It is wrongly observed that the writ petitioners had already given undertaking and was bound by the same and also failed to observe that there was specifically mentioned in the advertisement dated 12th September 2005 that the candidate should possesses the certificate from universities, education board and industrial training institute and private institutions duly recognized by DOEACC and private institutions not registered by the said authority can be ignored. As observed by the learned court, that it is evident from Annexure P5 that diploma obtained by the respondent 1 was recognized by National Council for Vocational Training and that recognition is available from Government of City of Delhi in form of P5 and that affiliation was prior to the date of taking admission or completion of the course and therefore that diploma being obtained from a industrial training institute would not have been sidelined and thus the Commissioner Land Records committed an error in passing such order in an arbitrary and illegal manner. Stop. The fact remains that the diploma from private institutions were required to be recognized from DOEACE, but that is an additional requirement. Stop. In the main theme of Para 2, it is mentioned that all the diplomas obtained from the universities, educational boards, and IITs are recognized for the said purposes for appointment to the post of Patwari. Stop. Annexure on perusal of Annexure P5, which clearly makes it that in pursuance of Government of India Ministry of Labour DGENT letter number 12/1/97-TC dated 29th January 97/3rd February 97 and consequent upon compliance of the condition laid down therein, it is stated that he was directed to convey the affiliation of following trades/units with the National Council for Vocational Training. Stop. Thereafter, name and addresses of the institution is given as Indian Institute of Computer Education, JRG 574, Saraswati Vihat, New Delhi, and address which is mentioned on the certificate Annexure P4, and thereafter trade is mentioned as data preparation and computer software, and permission is for 2 units with effect from August 97 with effect 1 unit in each shift. Stop. Para. The appellant herein failed to produce any material to show that the said permission was even withdrawn by the authorities during currency of the petitioner's course and therefore in the absence of any such material, recognition from the National Council for Vocational Training raises the status of institute from where the petitioners had obtained certificate to that of an ITI, that certificate become automatically valid and could not have been discarded by the Commissioner Land Record.